Hey
Hi guys,
we're back.
we're back. It's us again.
Today we're doing a toy review of this.
We're doing a toy review. Let's show them the front, William. Show them the front. This is a toy review.
It's called Flying UFO.
And we bought it from B&M's for the lovely price of $8.99. That's all.
And we're going to show you how to play with it.
We're going to give it a review. Is it thumbs up or thumbs down?
Or a subscribe.
Could be. Let's get it on. Let's have a look.
Let's snip it up.
Snip it down. Flying UFO. Free flying indoor or outdoor. Tell them it can go inside and outside.
It can go inside and outside, so let's get unboxing.
Yeah. It's infrared control.
Yeah, red control, guys.
Infrared. Let's get unboxing. William's right. Go for it, William. It's your review. So, we've got to start to see how easy it is to unbox.
Quite hard.
So I'll just show you the
It's
easiest
quite
way.
hard to unbox it, guys.
No, it's not. It's just William. Just open up the top like that. Yeah? And then we're going to slide.
Guys, my bad.
Your bad. Now go and show them how it's packaged. Hold that up.
This is how it's packaged.
Now it says it lights up.
Yeah, it's also got lights. You see this remote controller there? It says lamp control.
Okay. We've got one sheet of instructions.
Yeah.
Well, one page. Want to show? Now, it does say on there ages 8+. What does that mean?
So, guys, if you're over 8, then you can play with this.
So why have you got it? How old are you? No, I won't lie. We're 6, but he's very clever. If you're a very clever 6, you can have it.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Like, I am a very clever 6-year-old.
Yeah, you are. Right, let's have a look then. What we got? Let's have a look. Okay. Oh. Right, let's open the side. Open this side. Let's just get our scissors on this. Right.
Bet you can't wait till you see it flying across my room.
Okay, so we've got. Oh. Oh. Oh, I think we've got. Go and show them that. We've got a little USB charger. Oh, sorry.
We've got a USB charger, guys.
Oh no, it's got to be powered by USB.
Really?
Yeah.
So we can't do it in my room.
Well. Oh dear. There's the little. Right, go very, very carefully. So guys, it needs to be charged via a USB.
So it needs to be charged by a USB.
So that means we have to see these things here, William?
Yeah.
These are USB ports. Say Lucky, he's got USB ports on his computer.
Do you want me to take them to show it to them?
No, you're all right. They'll know what USB... Mummy and Daddy will know what USB ports are at home. So, we undo that.
Ask your mum and dad what a USB port is and they might show you.
Yeah. You've normally got one on computers.
Yeah.
Or a laptop.
And my computer's over there. Want me to take you to see it?
Show them the USB.
They're all saying yes, so I might have to show them my computer.
No, they know. They know what USB is. Okay, now.
Look how long it is, guys.
Will it be charged? You get quite a long lead, which is good. So what you get in the box, William, we need to tell them, is...
What you get in the box is the remote controller and
Yeah, let's show them one at a time. So you show them that. We get the flying UFO.
So we got the flying UFO.
Put that back. We've got the transmitter.
And we've got the transmitter here, guys.
Show them. Good.
As you can see, there are lots of switches and buttons.
And then we've got the USB charger. So you should have 3 things in the box. Okay?
So you should have 3 things in the box, guys.
Turn off the power. Number 1, turn off the power of the flying UFO. Insert the charging plug into the socket on the flying UFO. Guys, William, let me show you and the guy. Darling, let go. William, this is the USB side.
Okay.
This is the USB side. This will go into here. Okay. You can put that in there. Now, we have to have the computer on to charge it. Then this is going to be plugged in. Do you want to bring them? Do you want to show them this? Show them this.
So guys, you're very lucky because you're about to see how you do it.
Okay, so there's the lead. And show them that this will then plug into here. Show them. Right. Now that, we're going to leave that up there. Now, as that's red, they can't really have a good picture of that, can they, William? Look, as that's red, you don't need to look. As that's red there. Well, that's better. That means that it's charging. Okay, so we've got it charging.
That's a good signal,
Right.
kids. That's a good
That is,
signal.
the red light on the USB cable will light up when it's charging. Is it charging, William?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So that's a good signal, guys.
The light will go out when charging is complete. Pull the plug out of the socket of the flying UFO. The charging time is about 30 minutes, and flying the UFO can fly for about 6. Okay, so, guys, we need to leave that charging, don't we, William?
Yeah.
And when that red light goes out, in half an hour,
Yeah.
we're going to do the part 2, aren't we? Will it fly? See you soon.